Hello guys, you are welcome. Today I'll be looking at how to use hashtag to grow your business, to grow your content. Now when you say content growth, you really want to make sure that your content reach out to your audience and potential traffic, anybody, everybody. So one of the ways you can do that is by the use of hashtags, and hashtag really helps your business to grow, your content to scale, and you have the potential of reaching out to other people outside your audience. Hashtag is by placing the pound sign in front of a keyword or a key phrase. The keyword or key phrase relates to your own business, whether you are in product sales or service rendering. So you can always use hashtag to increase the performances of your content that you are creating. You can use hashtag to improve and facilitate the search results on any of the social media channels or even the search engine. So people are searching for information, people are searching for trends, people are searching for something new, okay? And whenever you are creating your content, you can put in hashtag for the keywords YouTube would love to rank for that has something to do with your business and services, and you'll be able to reach out to potential customer outside your audience funnel. So another thing is that it helps and it improves the performances of indexing your content by social media platform. So social media platform index your content in order for them to be able to fetch it out at search, and of course to show your potential customer something you are also ranking for. So in that light, your hashtags help you to index your content and optimize the performance on the social media platform. Your hashtags can also help people within and outside your audience niche. So those who follow you are part of your audience. Those who like your content, engage with your content, they are all part of your audience. So putting in the hashtags can help you reach out to other potential customers and potential buyers for your products or for your services. So one of the three ways to using hashtags, and you want to make use of one of these three ways in order to optimize hashtag for your own business. One is that hashtag can be used in reference to content. So if you are selling a product or a service and you are optimizing for your product, you can actually start creating content and putting hashtags that has to do with your product, and that it will help you grow, especially whenever anybody is looking for something similar to your product. With your hashtag on your product, they will be able to see content that you have created on that same product or services that will benefit them. So the second ways to using hashtag is trends. So you want to follow the trend, okay? Nobody goes against the trend. So you want to make sure that any trending hashtag that is on vogue, you want to make sure that a content created from you would include that hashtag. So as it is trending, people are looking for content related to that hashtag, and you want to make sure that the creatives are also related to it, and it is helping your business grow by with showcasing whatsoever you have in stock in terms of valuable products and services. The third way to use the hashtag is brand hashtag. Branding is when you are targeting potential competitor, those who have actually made good results, and you are targeting their hashtag. You are using the hashtag of that product, of that brand, in order to grow your own. So people are searching for that brand, but whenever they go onto the social media channels and enter the brand name, your content and your creatives will also show, because you are following the brand hashtag. Okay, for instance, if I should say I want to follow Palladium innovation, which is actually available in hashtag, so the quote and the content of that keyword, okay, or key phrase will be shown, okay, and you want to make sure that following such brands, your content is being shown to your potential customer, those who are also following and looking after those brands. So in these 3 steps, you can decide to say which one are we applying now. So the first one is that you start creating content about your product or service, and you always want to optimize for your product and services by your content creations. The second is that you start looking at trends, and of course you create content for your business and services, but you want to apply it with the trending situation. So you want to add the trends, and of course the brand is where you are making use of your competitors' reputation in order to grow your own brand. So if your competitor is Amazon, for instance, and you are an e-commerce store, you want to hashtag Amazon on some products in order for any other person hashtagging Amazon for similar information. Your content will also be shown. Your content will be created and will be shown. So these are so many other ways how you can improve the performances of your results, how you can create content and using hashtags to grow your content. I wish you guys all the best. If you have any question, kindly put in the comment section below, and of course be a part of my community. All the best.